Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our Mini Kit Monday for the month of September is our lovely founder, Becky. And she has challenged us to use our silhouettes, our Cricuts, our manual or electronic die cutting machines where you use your own dies, or like border punches, and document your memories in a fun, creative way. I am twisting it up, kind of going old school, how I used to do my videos, and that's where I show you the scrappy supplies, and then I will pause the video and create my layout. I will be doing this process probably until January. There is just a lot going on, family and work-wise, good and some not so good, but things are a-okay. And I just don't have the time to spend editing and doing voiceovers, but I'm still going to scrapbook and put out the videos. All right. Without further ado, let's look at my scrappy supplies and the photograph and the memory that I am documenting. And the memory, here's the photograph, and the memory I'm documenting is getting together with my family members on my husband and sister-in-law's side, watching college football. So this is one Saturday afternoon last year in the month of October. I don't know the exact date, but I do know that this photograph was taken in October. So we have some scrap paper here that is from Close to My Heart. And right now I can't remember the name of the collection. Let me see if I have it handy, because I like to tell you it is from In Full Bloom, along with this cardstock, coordinating cardstock from Close to My Heart. This pattern paper is from the Full Bloom collection. And then I have some various stickers, also from Close to My Heart. This one right here is from an older collection from Close to My Heart. These stickers are from the Full Bloom. This die cut piece is from the Full Bloom. This heart from the In Full Bloom. Sorry. I've got this journaling spot. I'm not sure. I have this older washi tape, not from Close to My Heart. I have this tag, not from Close to My Heart. This word Delight in Life, not from Close to My Heart, nor this, or nor this, okay? So none of those. And then I have these glitter puffy stickers that were actually given to me from Becky. And then I have this heart that I cut out from some paper, music note paper. Then I have some older acrylic pieces here from Close to My Heart. I cut this These are no longer about a year ago using my Cricut machine. So we're using this piece. I'm using this paper from Close to My Heart. And this is from the mix in March, April of 2022. Then I have Close to My Heart black cardstock, the front and the back. Then I have another pattern paper here from the Mixing collection from March, April of 2022 of Close to My Heart. And I am a Close to My Heart consultant. So if you like, check out Close to My Heart. I will have the link listed below if you'd like to come shop through me to support my channel if you do not already have a Close to My Heart consultant. I also got out some sequins here in this green, black, and silver. And then I have some and they're glittery. And then I have black and silver here. I don't plan on using any silver. My alphas, I have mint with black lettering that are circles, and then I have these tall, thin ones that are a black foam. Now I have finished showing you all the products that I intend to use. I may add some more, which I know I'll end up adding some sprays, because that's what I got to do. That's what Dolly's got to do. So hang on, I'll be right back with a completed layout to share with you using. I'm back with my completed layout. Did this not turn out fabulous? And just a little secret, I only had 4 embellishments left that I did not secure to this layout. That is awesome. All right, let's let's go over my process in creating this layout. My 12 by 12 pattern paper here is from Close to My Heart, the March April mix-in paper. Then the next thing that I did was double matted my cut file on this pattern paper right here of dots with the aqua color in the background, or I would call it aqua, not mint. And I cut it even with my die cut, or my cut file here that I used, remember, from Cricut design site. Then I matted it on black cardstock from Close to My Heart, and then I trimmed about 1/4 inch all the way around. Next, I used this washi tape, and I think this is from Alta New many years ago, or a few years ago. Let me put it that way, a few years ago. And I placed it at the 1/4 inch, and it came over to the 1/2 inch. Then I used one of the zip strips from the pattern paper from Close to My Heart, and I placed that from the 0 to the 1/2 inch. Then from my scrappy stash, I got out this kind of metallic copper washi tape, and I placed it right down the middle of the zip strip and this other washi tape from Alta New, and then it just helps define each of those patterns and colors, even though they're similar colors. But this is the aqua with white little tiny hearts, and then this washi tape has aqua black, and guess what? Red. So if we were watching the Georgia football game last October, I am representing their color in this layout. Once I finished putting the washi tape down, I placed my doubled layer cut file. And remember, the cut file is from the Cricut Design Shop. Then I started all my layering underneath my matted photograph. Oh yeah, so I matted my photograph 4 times. So we have that one aqua pattern paper that looked like succulents and flowers, lightly printed. Then we have this craft paper. Then we have this kind of aqua cardstock from Close to My Heart, which is called Lagoon. And then one of the pattern papers from the In Full Bloom collection. And then I stuck that sticker here, and I don't remember what Close to My Heart collection that's from. I said that earlier in the video. And then I layered this tab that says Favorite Things, this other tab that says This Fills My Heart, then this sticker right here with the dotted lines, layered that. Then we placed a tag, then a place to do my journaling, which has that notebook like paper look. And then next I did this cluster down below here. So we have the sticker of the globe. We have this die cut of a camera. And these 2 pieces come from the in Full Bloom collection. Then we have Delight in Life die cut. Then we have Oh Happy Day. And then we have this ticket. I don't know where these two pieces came from, but the ticket is from a 49 and Market collection. Don't remember. Then after I did those 3 cluster areas, I put my title down using those black foam alphas and then the round aqua for Football Day. Then we have the acrylic arrow from an older collection from Close to My Heart. Then I used the sequins. Remember, I said I was going to add some sequins. So I add 3 there, 1 there, and 4 over here. And then I use those little puffy butterflies, flowers given to me by Becky. And then for my final touch, I use Heidi Swapp Color Shine in Teal, and I sprinkled or splattered some of that spray right here and here and here and a little bit here. So kind of all over next to my photographs and grouping of embellishments. And this layout is complete. Be sure to go check out Becky and Kathy's channel. I will have the link listed below in the description box. We also have a Facebook group site, and please go check out our Facebook group site and become a member. You will be inspired by all the members that are posting their creations. We have all of the month's albums over there at our Facebook group site. So go on over there and check out all the inspiration. Give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to our channel for people that you and I may not know that's looking for inspiration. If you have any questions or would like to leave me a lovely comment, leave that below as well. And we will see you next time. Bye.